to my channel. This is Apoorva. I'm your dietitian. Sweet corn versus Desi Bhutta. Which of these is really healthy for us? Let's understand about it in this video. Rainy season has started and you'll find your all-time favorite Desi Bhutta or corn on the cob everywhere. But are you all wondering, is sweet corn better or corn on the cob better? Some of you might be thinking that both are same, and some might be in dilemma that these two are different. But for all these questions, the answer is, unlike Desi Bhutta or the corn on the cob, which is available only in rainy season, the sweet corn can be seen throughout the year. Of course, both have their own look and charm, but which of them benefits our health is the point which we have to note it. Sweet corn needs a lot of resources to grow, and its nutrient density is also compromised while being high on sugars and negligible fiber content. Sugars can spike up your blood sugar levels in your body. Whereas on the other hand, Desi Bhutta can be grown with minimal resources like water and manure and are harvested only after attaining the maturity. So, the sugars in corn is converted to complex form which does not spike the blood sugar, and the fiber content keeps your digestive tract in good condition. So, make the most benefits out of Desi corn during rainy season to stay healthy. So guys, I hope you have understood about the differences between sweet corn and Desi Bhutta and the importance and the benefits. So try to implement in your diet. I will come up with another interesting video next week. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit. But before that, don't forget to hit a like, share and subscribe button. Bye-bye.